Hi.
Hello there! So today I'm going to teach you how to do kind of a scary makeup thing for Halloween. If you want to look like scary. Yeah, so this is not going to take that long. I'm just going to do a white face and then black lipstick and then black around the eyes and then like a black wig with bangs and then like a suit kind of thing. And if you're someone that has been watching my videos for a long time, which probably whoever watched this is the first time they're watching me now. What? I actually made up this character. It's called Busy Darkness. Here's like a picture, and then maybe I'll put like a little video. You probably never heard of me, but my name is Busy Darkness. I'm not like any other human. So yeah, like 2 years ago, I used to do like a lot of mini movie stuff and like scary kind of movie sketch, whatever that's called. And yeah, so I made up this costume thing like 2 years ago. And yeah, I'm gonna do like a little tutorial, but you can also use this like not as my character thing. Why are my eyes crooked? So yeah, you can use this tutorial for like anything. It doesn't have to be following my character, whatever, yeah. And yeah, let's get started. So first, I'll show you all of the kind of clothes you'll need if you want to like copy the exact thing I'm doing. So what I'll be wearing for this is a like white blouse thing, and I found this cool one with like these things. Whoa. I'll be also wearing a black bow, this wig with bangs, this black coat with this white outline that I found at a thrift store, and also this belt because this coat's a little too big. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna maybe wear a cape too. For pants, I'm just gonna wear black pants. And for the shoes, you can just wear like any shoes, like black shoes maybe, I don't know. And also, I have black nail polish on. I'm also gonna be wearing these black sleeve things too, maybe. I got this at the dollar store. So yeah, I think that is all I'm gonna be wearing for the clothes. You can always like change the clothes and do whatever. Yeah. Now, for the makeup. So the first thing you wanna... I didn't wash my hands. So the first thing you want to do is wash your hands. I just did it now. Then the next thing you want to do is wash your face. I wash with a wipe. After you are done washing your face, you will want to put some white cream. The heck? Why does it say do not use red, orange, yellow, aqua, or pink in the eye area? Do not use blue, purple, yellow, icy blue, orange, or green on the lips. What happens if you do? Is it like poison or something? Before I'll start, I'm going to show everything that I'll be using so like you can get it out faster. All the makeup things I'll be using is a sponge thing to blend the white cream. You will need white cream, some black eyeshadow, or I was gonna use this, but I don't know, I'll use it if the eyeshadow looks too light. This is a black grease makeup thing. I'm going to be using brushes for your eyes and your cheekbone thing. I'm going to be using this Katy Perry CoverGirl black lipstick. I'm also going to be using like black or brown to be doing some like outline cheekbone things so it looks like I'm going like my bones are showing or some. What? I'm so bad at talking, I'll just write this in the description what you need. So if you didn't know what I said, just look at the description because I'm so bad at talking. Yeah! So the first thing you'll be doing is putting white all over your face. Turn this around and that spells poo. So yeah, and then mix. How much did I put? This sounds like the slime things in Minecraft, Harry. This hurts. Okay, so this kind of took forever because this stupid thing dries so fast. And you have to go so fast. And if it dries and you go over it, it makes these stupid tiny things. And I also made my sponge wet to like kind of blend it more. So yeah, I'm not gonna put more because it'll just wreck it. So this is how white it's gonna be. So next we're gonna make the eyebrows darker, and I hate doing stupid eyebrows because it's so annoying. So what I'm gonna do with the eyebrows is make it like a tiny darker. Just a tiny bit. I'm not even gonna... Wait, what? How did I just do that? Why couldn't I do that last time? This is so dumb. New thing I just learned. Go in the middle and don't even outline at the top. Just like go like in the middle like this. And then your normal hair will blend in. And look. Are you stupid? Now it's all hairy. Okay, so once your eyes is dark, once your eyebrows is dark, I want to do your eyes around. So what I'm gonna do is put a lot of black around. So this is the kind of shape I did. This took forever. So now I'm going to do the other eye. Whoa, this looks so ugly. It's uneven, but what did I just do? I look like a raccoon or something. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, I kind of fixed it. I made it not that low. You dummy had to knock everything over. Oh, it's like dominoes! Okay, so next we're going to do eyeliner. There's this eyeliner here. It's kind of like a marker. I've now done my eyeliner. So I kind of like connected it here a little, and here. Yeah, it's so bad. Now I'm going to put mascara. There, and now you are done your eyes. So next you're going to do like some shadows. And I'm gonna do like some little cheekbone things here. I'm gonna use black, just a little. So if you don't know where your outliner is, just go like... I just moved my teeth and there's powder in my mouth. So once you are done your cheeks, you actually want to like make it go a little up. So like this to kind of outline your skeleton bone. Also, I'm gonna make my nose a little smaller, so I'm just gonna put like a little dark here. What the heck are you doing? Meow, look at them. Look. Oh, it's too bright. I was gonna like do a little shadow here, but you don't need to because I have a wig with bangs. But if you don't have bangs, then maybe a little shadow like around here and then like here to make like your eyebrow bone pop out. So it looks like you're like a skeleton or something. Yeah! So the last thing you're going to do is black lipstick. So yeah, I'll come back when it's done. Whoa. So yeah, now you are done your makeup. You can always do it different than what I did. Now time to put the clothes on. Make sure you wash your hands before you touch the white. And yeah, let's put it on and... Whoa. And then the bow. Whoa. Then the jacket. Whoa. Now the hair. Whoa! And then you are done. I'm also gonna wear this like belt thing because this jacket's a little too big. Wait, I'll move the camera back. So this is the coat. As you can see, it is way too big. So I'm just gonna put this belt thing and then there. So I also have these sleeve things. So I don't know what I should wear. Jacket with sleeves or without. I also have this like little purple necklace, but I don't think it matches too good. This is so cool necklace if you want to be like a vampire or something. And then like this shirt together. Whoa, look how cool that looks. So yeah, I guess that is it for this kind of scary thing. And yeah, I'm going to record the intro now. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this weird tutorial thing. And I guess that's it. Bye! Ow.